Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay February 23, 2024 Friday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong February 23, 2024 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas ang para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong Friday, February 23, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas ngayong 2 PM para sa 3D Lotto. 'See you again later for 5 PM result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for February 23, 2024, Friday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 64.5 million pesos and Ultra Lotto 658 estimated jackpot price is 151.5 million pesos for Friday, February 23, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of February 23, 2024, Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.